First up, I'm going to be making my sugar and honey scrub. This is something that I've used for the longest time. So all you're going to need for the scrub is this honey, preferably pure honey. You're going to need some sugar, white or brown, and I like to add a little bit of turmeric. So turmeric is very good for the face, so I always add it into everything. And then I have a spoon and a small type of spatula thing. Next, I'm adding in a teaspoon of sugar. I'm going to add 1 more teaspoon of sugar. So I don't want my scrub to be too rough on my skin. I want it to really get into my skin and clear out my skin without hurting my skin. So I think 1 more spoon and the rest can be honey. Next, I'm going into my turmeric. Okay, so next I'm adding this amount of turmeric into the mix, which is a very small amount. Just roughly mix around. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more turmeric. Lastly, we're going to add in our honey. If your consistency is too runny, then that means you need a little bit more sugar, and if it is too thick, then you need more honey. Okay, so this is basically how mine looks now. It's too thick, so I need more honey. Sure you mix your ingredients properly so everything is evened out. Okay, you guys, so this is the consistency that I like. It's not too runny, it's not too thick, it's just perfect. I'm going to add 1 more ingredient to this mix. That's going to be some rose water. I'm just going to add a few drops of this into this mix. As you guys can see, it is the perfect consistency, not too runny and not too thick, it's just perfect. Yeah, basically this is the finished product. So guys, this container is perfect, especially if you want to keep it in your bathroom, but make sure to keep it in a cool area. I would definitely suggest getting an airtight container so that you don't have any ants creeping up and getting into your scrub. And yes, you guys, ants can get into the scrub because it does have honey and you don't want them eating up all of your scrub. So that's how I make my very trusty scrub.